What if I told you? You could travel so fast that time slows down for you, and when you return home, everyone you knew has aged decades, while you've barely changed. Sounds like sci-fi? It's not, it's science. Today I'm diving into one of the most mind-bending ideas in all of physics, Einstein's theory of relativity. Buckle up, because space, time, and reality are about to twist. Relativity is the idea that the laws of physics stay the same, but how we experience space and time, that can change. Einstein gave us two versions. Special relativity deals with objects moving fast in straight lines. General relativity explains how gravity actually bends space and time. In special relativity, the speed of light is the same for everyone, but that means time can't be. So when you move faster, time slows down for you. This is called time dilation. Let's imagine twins, Mia and Leo. Mia travels through space at near light speed. Leo stays on Earth. When Mia comes back, Leo is much older while she's barely aged. That's not a paradox, that's physics. And yes, we've tested it using atomic clocks on airplanes. Here's a weirder one. If you move really fast, your body actually shrinks in the direction of motion. This is called length contraction. To you, everything feels normal. But to an outside observer, you're a tiny, fast-moving blur. Now let's go deeper, to general relativity. What if I told you gravity isn't really a force? It's a curve in space and time. Imagine a trampoline. Put a bowling ball in the center. It sinks. Now roll a marble nearby. It spirals in. That's how planets move. Gravity is geometry. This theory led to the discovery of black holes. Regions where gravity is so strong, not even light escapes. Time nearly stops near a black hole. If you could orbit one and survive, you'd age slowly while centuries pass outside. Yes, time travel into the future is technically possible. Think this only matters to astronauts? Wrong. Your GPS wouldn't work without relativity. The satellites move fast and sit higher in gravity. Without correcting for time dilation, your location would be off by kilometers. Einstein changed how we see the universe. Space and time are not fixed. They stretch, bend, and twist depending on how you move. Reality? It's far more flexible than it looks. If this blew your mind, hit that like button, subscribe for more science wonders, and tell me in the comments, if you could time travel to the future, how far would you go?